Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco, and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
दिव्यांग लोकांचो खंय गोंय सरकार सर्वे करतलो. सध्या 2011 जाल्ल्या सेन्ससांतली आंकडेवारी वापरतात, जातूंत फक्त 7 प्रकारच्या अपंगत्वांची नोंद आसा. आतां 21 प्रकारच्या अपंगत्वांचो समावेश जाला. हे फाटभुंयेर हो सर्वे जातलो म्हण समाज कल्याण मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसाय उलयलो.
About 15 years we have not conducted any survey, and I think Goa is the first state taking up survey after 2011. We have 21 types of disability. In 2011 2011 आम्ही जेन्ना केल्ले तेन्ना 7 डिसेबिलिटीज आशिल्ले, रायट? 7 डिसेबिलिटीजाचो जे डेटा मेळटालो, पूण आतां डिसेबिलिटीचो हे वाडलेलो आसा. आमी डिफरंट टायप्स ऑफ डिसेबिलिटीज हॅव कम इन एज अ डिसेबिलिटी. सो ह्यो 21 डिसेबिलिटी घेवन आमी परत एक फावटी सर्वे करतले. द सर्वे इज इम्पेरेटिव्ह टू एन्श्युअर दॅट ऑल दी एलिजिबल दिव्यांगजन्स इन द स्टेट are identified and integrated into a mainstream through effective planning, service delivery, empowerment initiative. To facilitate this process, the department has floated a tender just few days back, and we are finalizing the tender. And I hope that in another 2 months' time, we will confirm the agency, and in another 3 to 4 months, I think we will be covering. And this survey is visiting house to house. It is not a survey just taken feedback from some agencies. Our people will move on to each of the house, and while doing survey, the survey would be very extensive.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.